So guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we will be doing sorrel and ribena juice. Guys, sorrel, if you don't know sorrel, it's the same thing that they call hibiscus, and it's the time of year where almost every Jamaican will be making this in their household, whether they're in Jamaica or elsewhere. And also this is ribena, also known as blackcurrant or yava fruit. And here we have our ginger. And guys, each one of these ingredients are good by themselves and can be made by themselves. This is packed with vitamin. Also, this is also good for high blood pressure. So guys, it can be just a delicious drink, but also a healthy juice. And guys, you all know the benefits of ginger. So guys, what I will be doing, I will be brewing all of this together, and let's go do that now. So guys, also if you have noticed, my my sorrel is frozen, and that's just for preservative. I had bought this some time ago, and I didn't want it to go bad, so I just wash it and put it in my freezer. So now I'm gonna use it. Guys, to this pot of water we'll be adding our sorrel. Let's see. And if you see, our water already becoming red. And also I'll be adding my ribenas. Then I'll be adding my ginger. So guys, I will be giving this a stir. And I will just cover this and allow it to brew on its own. The stove is still on. I'm gonna let it stay on until it comes to a boil, which you don't have to. As long as your water is well hot, then you can just cover it. But because mine was frozen, and you know that ice tends to bring down the temperature of hot water. Guys, look at this. This is so beautiful. So guys, I had allowed this to sit for overnight. Look at all this goodness. So now I will be straining it. So guys, this isn't all of it. This I will be just adding sweetener to this, and I will be adding only sugar to this. For normal sorrel, like Christmas sorrel, we would have like a little rum, a little red label in it. But for this one, I'll be just adding sugar to this and allow it to cool, and then later on, like in December, we will do what we call a Christmas sorrel with sorrel wine with all those good stuff. I will show you to do that one also, but for now we will be doing this one. So guys, this I'm gonna be adding sugar only and put to cool, and we get back to the video. I'm gonna sweeten this off camera and allow it to cool. When it's cool, we will get back to the video. So guys, our ribena and sorrel drink is ready, and this is frozen. So guys, there you have it. This is our ribena and sorrel drink. So guys, if you've made it this far to my video, thank you so much for watching. And if you do enjoy this video guys, please leave me a like, drop me a comment, and guys, please share the videos so that others can see. And until the next video, bye bye.